Families find themselves still in need of help 5 months after the Easter tornadoes devastated our area.
This is video from one of the hardest hit areas, the Holly Hills neighborhood. Days after the tornadoes, a lot of families were able to clean up and start rebuilding, but for others, it's been an uphill battle.
And Bliss Ekman spoke to one woman who says her insurance would not fix her storm-damaged home. She has her story and help that may be soon available to others in her situation.
Homes in Holly Hills are at every stage of reconstruction. Some are brand new. Others are still fighting to get windows that aren't boarded up. It's been 5 months since an EF3 tornado slammed Cheryl Smith's home.
All I could hear was debris hitting the house all the way around.
Since that night, the neighborhood around her has changed considerably. You can see the difference 5 months makes from our News Channel 9 Skyview. But Smith says that's not the case for her.
But still structurally, I mean, the bricks are cracked, the bricks are coming off.
Smith blames the roadblocks on her insurance company, State Farm. She hired public adjuster Jeffrey Whittington to take a closer look at her policy. Whittington says Smith's home has nearly $75,000 in damages, while these documents show State Farm estimates nearly half that.
She can't get the repairs completed until the amount of funds is shown in black and white on the estimate.
On top of that, after a half a century as a policyholder with State Farm, this letter shows the company cut its ties with Smith.
State Farm is a good neighbor unless you need them.
She's not the only tornado survivor still fighting to stay afloat.
With all the devastation, it's going to take years to really clean this community up.
Today, local leaders announced a new initiative to help tornado survivors who have fallen through the cracks.
It's like we don't know what the real needs are. You know, when these people are displaced, you can't mail a letter, there's not a mailbox there.
Commissioner SABRENA SMEDLEY says the 211 hotline can help people who didn't have insurance, have been scammed, need volunteer help, and people like Smith, whose insurance only paid to get part of the job done.
I can almost tell you what kind of insurance everybody in Holly Hills has right now, and I can tell you whom they're pleased with and whom they're not pleased with.
Smith has filed a complaint with the state insurance commissioner, but action takes time. Reporting from Holly Hills, I'm Bliss Ekman for News Channel 9.
We took Smith's concerns straight to State Farm. Representative says they're unable to share specifics of the claims, citing privacy issues. However, the company says they are actively evaluating the claim and reviewing new information they received recently.
The Chattanooga chapter of the United Way says they raised $500,000 for tornado relief. A spokesperson says some of those funds are still available. The United Way says anyone in need can call 211. However, they say due to COVID-19 pandemic, that line, it's been very busy. They ask anyone who calls to just be a little bit patient. The United Way says you can also call the other number on your screen right there for help. It's also posted on newschannel9.com as well.